Y'all know the vibes when you literally have to drop everything and get them dusty braids out of your hair.
Hey loves, it's your girl Rachel. So thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're new here, welcome. And if you've been around for a minute, what's up, love? So I am so excited. I took out my braids and now it's time for me to detangle them. But ladies, I got my hand on the holy grail. So if you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, and like this video. So let's get into it.
Hey loves, so I had to take a break. I had to go to a parent-teacher conference and I went to the gym, then I fell asleep. Now I'm up and it's the middle of the night and I'm just like, you have to do your hair, honey. So here we go. I am taking this thing down. My hair feels like it's not gonna give me a hard time. But I'm just praying that I'm not going to be in my hair all day. That's my prayer right now. So the mixed emotions of having your hair out, like you miss it and then immediately you like, oh yeah, I gotta wash it, I gotta condition it, I gotta do all this crazy stuff.
The break was heavenly. So now it's time for me to just separate my hair. I'm going to use a little bit of apple cider vinegar and mix it with some water, equal parts of each. And I'm just going to spray it on them roots where most of the buildup resides. So this concoction is fantastic. Not only does it help to loosen the buildup on my hair, but look at the knots. OMG, where are they?
Okay, so immediately with the apple cider vinegar and the warm water, oh my goodness, the residue has like cut itself in half. Like, y'all, look at how look at how easy my hair is detangling. Like, there's no nicks, no knots, no nothing. My hair feels amazing.
So that's the first step and it is amazing. So my second step, I'm going to use the Carol's Daughter Jelly to Cream Conditioner for detangling, along with my very favorite extra virgin olive oil. So you're going to mix that oil and that cream up to make a buttery consistency.
So here we go. Oh boy, it's nice and thick too though. Wait a minute. Hope it has enough slip. If it doesn't, you could always use that apple cider vinegar and water spray to break it up a little bit more. But my hair feels so good. I'm getting out a decent amount of shed hair, but it feels so good. This is too easy. Why is this easy like that? So this is what I have. Oh, that's a pretty good amount of hair though, honey. It's a pretty good amount of hair. So I'm gonna speed this up and let you guys see the rest of the process, but my hair feels like butter, okay? I hope I'm able to really zip through my whole head.
So the first section is done. Now it's time to get into it. So I love this concoction. This is my first time ever using the Carol's Daughter Jelly to Cream Detangling Wash Day Delight product for actually detangling my hair after box braids, because we know the base of those braids can have so much buildup, so much dirt, and can cause so much dryness and tearing as you detangle your hair. So as you can see, my hair not only is looking hydrated, but it's reverting just right. And it also is providing a lot of hold to my hair and elongation so that the detangling process is even easier. I am on cloud 9 and in heaven. Look at my roots. It almost looks like my hair is washed already. So make sure that you go in with your fingers if you feel that some of the braids aren't completely unraveled or there's just some really suspicious knots that need a little bit more TLC. So apple cider vinegar will forever be my one true love because it dissolves dirt and grime like none other.
Okay, so I mean, that took no time whatsoever. My hair feels so soft. I'm like, what in the world? Whose head of hair is this? Whose head? Like, my hair feels so soft, you guys. Look at this. I feel like it's not even my head of hair. This is crazy. Oh my goodness. So first of all, Carol's Daughter did it again. Like, this is definitely going to be my little concoction every single time I take braids out, and my top recommendation. So let me just braid this down again. Oh my goodness, my hair feels so good. And then mixing the extra virgin olive oil with the Carol's Daughter, sheesh. honey, like I'm getting so much moisture, so much slip. And then adding the apple cider vinegar and the water. Girl, this is it. This is it. You know, I did not think I could top last time, but honey, when I tell you, consider yourself told. So I think I'm just gonna show you guys the front section. Oh yeah, yes, let's break that up. I'm gonna do a big section just to see, like, let's just see what it does. Okay, so let's start with the warm. Ugh, no. Yuck. Not the apple cider vinegar water sliding down my face. Oh my goodness. FYI, I used to use this. So I used to use apple cider vinegar as a toner back in college. Y'all, my skin was flawless back then. Oh my goodness. Look at how this looks and feels. Oh my goodness. It breaks it up instantly. Like instant. Oh my goodness. This is so good. And I like how thick it is because it kind of keeps the hair elongated so that you don't have to worry about it reverting and bouncing up too fast and causing like more knots and tangles, or just making the detangling process more difficult. You don't want that when you have so much dead hair to pull out of your hair. Oh my goodness. It's coming together. It's raking. Oh my goodness. I think it also has a lot to do with knotless box braids too. I feel like they just don't cause as much of those build up clumps that you usually get. Maybe I'm just really good with my hair, I don't know. But this is too good to be true. Oh my word, look at that. I'm just gonna go through. Look at that. My hair feels like a dream.
So ladies, we sped it up. You feel me? We slowed it down. And no matter what speed you put it in, it is clear that this concoction literally zapped through all the knots, all the buildup, all the potential tangles and dryness. And my hair is looking super hydrated and ready to go into the shower. This is an amazing pre-poo treatment. I'm just super impressed at the idea of putting the oil with the cocoa cream or whatever you want to call that from Carol's Daughter. Carol's Daughter, this little concoction that you made, I swear, can be the base for your entire line and company. It is so good. It's so spot on. My hair feels and looks absolutely amazing. As you can see, like, look at how easily this brush is going through my hair. Now, there are some things to take into consideration. I have to admit that using the Shine and Jam pomade for my hair to put in the braids initially, I really believe that helped keep my hair from knotting up too much at the roots. So I'm definitely going to continue to use Shine and Jam as my edge control of choice for installing my knotless box braids. But let's just take a moment and thank God for how fast that was completed.
So you guys saw it, like my hair got detangled so fast after over a month of a protective hairstyle that typically is very hard to detangle. So I'm super excited with my concoction. I will forever use the olive oil and the water to cream conditioner from Carol's Daughter, the rose water one. It is amazing. I love this tangle teaser. I feel like it is the most gentle, efficient, effective detangler on the market. I think it's just right. There's some cons about it, but overall I feel like this is my favorite detangler on the block. So let me just show you guys like how my hair looks. Like my hair absolutely loves extra virgin olive oil. Let me just say that. So I mean, it just loves it. So my hair just feels extremely hydrated. Extremely hydrated. And I think I got out a lot of the dead hair. I'm sure that I'll still have a little bit of hair fall or hair shed in the shower, but for the most part, I think I got all of the most obvious and excessive hair shedding out of the way. But my hair feels so good, you guys. It feels so good. I'm gonna take these out just so I can resection in the shower. Cause once I section my hair up in the shower and I wash it and detangle it again, like it's gonna stay like that. It's looking very much like turban for the weekend because even though this was an easy, breezy process, I don't think I'm trying to be dealing with my hair like that still. Um, yeah, so when I get in the shower, I know my curls will be popping so much more, but it's still kind of in that like still slightly reverting phase. It feels so good. It feels so good. So let me show you guys how much hair came out. Ooh, child. It's a pretty good amount of hair. That is a pretty good amount of hair. Is it more than what I'm used to? No. So when I get in the shower, I'm just gonna use the apple cider vinegar and water, make sure to just rinse my hair and then like massage my roots a little bit and then rinse it, wash it, and I'll be out. But as always, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful for you. You absolutely have to try this. I think the detangling process will be extremely easy if you try it. So thank you guys so much for watching. God bless. Bye.
I just wanna see how you like my content. It'll sure make me happy if you would like it. But if you like it, please subscribe to it. Hit the bell so that you'll never miss this. Oh, you're the best part. Oh, best part.